Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Janice. This is chicken breast I'm gonna use for chicken burger. First, we can cut it very thin. You can use as well the Thai chicken. But for me, I prefer to use chicken breast. Since I don't have meat mallet, so I'm just using a back of the knife just to press a little bit the chicken so that the marination will absorb. So now let's marinate the chicken. Garlic powder. You can use onion powder as well, and some tuberashi, or you can use chili powder if you want it spicy. Squeeze of lemon. Now it's marinated, maybe for some time. Now we are going to make a homemade coleslaw for our chicken burger. So we have shredded carrots, cabbage. I'm using only white cabbage. If you can use red cabbage as well. So the color will be nice combination. Just add a little bit salt. White vinegar, some mustard, mayonnaise as well, mayonnaise, and you can add some sugar. Little bit of pepper. Mix properly, and then we can sit aside while waiting the chicken will be cooked. Right. After for 15 minutes, the chicken is ready, so I guess the marination is absorbed. Just dip into, this is the mixtures of flour. I put little bit salt, white pepper, cornstarch, onion powder is that. So just dip. So just arrange things a little bit. And it's ready. Now we can fry the chicken breast. burger bun already toast, mayonnaise, some mustard, crispy chicken. So I just put flash in the oven little bit to make the cheese melt, and then the coleslaw what we made before. So we just add the coleslaw. And then we can finish it up like this. All right.